This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla %20 Walker. The Bellhaven in Greenhaven at Hillpoint by Wetherington Homes, featuring 4 BRS, 2.5 Boss. Flexible floor plan with gorgeous designer details included. Lots of entertainment space and closet space. Bright, open kitchen west/butler's pantry and big dining island, separate dining room, great room overlooks backyard. First floor flex room office. Upstairs has loft, large primary suite west/huge closet, separate tub and shower and primary ensuite. LVP flooring incorporated. Select your lot and customize your home. Or choose from quick close homes. Other home plans: avail west/1 st floor primary bedroom. Ask about completed homes and incentives. January 29, 2026 for more information.